Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Luigi from the vs Mario Rebooted Friday Night Funkin mod. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start with a short line for the side of the face. Let's draw the nose next. We're going to move over to the left, and we're going to draw a curve over to our line, back around and up. Let's draw the eyes next. Above the nose, let's draw a curve up and back down. And then color it in black. Now to the left, let's draw a long oval for the other eye. And color this eye in black as well. Next, let's draw the eyebrows with two curves above the eyes. Next, let's draw the mustache. From the line we drew earlier, let's draw a curve down and over to the right. And then one more curve over to the right side of the nose. Let's draw the ear next. Let's move over and leave a gap, and on the left side, we're going to draw a curve over here like this. It should be around the same level as the eyes. Next, inside, let's draw a curve down, and then a curve over to the left and back around. Let's draw the bottom of the face next. From the bottom of the ear, let's draw a long curve down and to the right. And then curve it back up to the mustache. Next, let's draw a piece of hair under the ear with two curves. Next, let's draw the brim of the hat. Let's move over on top of the ear, and we're going to draw a curve over to the right side like this. Now from the end, let's curve it back in, over the eyes, and then back up here. Now let's draw the sideburns. Next to the ear, let's draw a curve down, and then around back to the ear like this. Now let's finish off the hat. Let's move up above the ear. We're going to leave a gap, and we're going to draw a big curve over to the right and back down. And now close off the right side by stepping up and drawing a curve down to the ear. Lastly, for the hat, let's add the logo. Above the brim in the center here, let's draw a circular curve up and back down. Now inside, let's draw the letter L like this. Let's draw the body next. Underneath the chin, let's draw two curves down. And now connect them at the bottom. Now move over slightly to the right, and we're going to draw a curve down and then back in for the body. Now let's move back up to the left side of the chin, and we're going to draw a small line out for the shoulder. Let's draw the left arm now. Underneath the shoulder line, let's start a little bit below, and we're going to curve it up and back down to the left. And then one more angled line down here on the right side. Now let's finish off the overalls. Let's draw another angle down. Now down to the left, and then back up to the arm. Now let's add the buttons. On the right side of the body, let's draw an oval. And one more oval underneath the right strap. Let's draw the left hand now. Underneath the left arm, on the left side, let's draw a line up, curve it over, and back down. Now on the left side, let's step in, and we're going to draw a long curve down. Now curve it in for the first finger. Now let's draw 2 more fingers with bent lines. Next, let's move over to the top right and draw a curve for the thumb. And now at the end, a curve down. And now let's close off the hand with a bent line here. Let's draw the legs next, starting with the left side. Underneath the body, let's draw a long curve down here. Now at the bottom, let's move over to the right and we're going to draw a curve down. And now at the end, a small curve down, and then curve it back up. Let's draw the top of the shoe next. Let's draw a large curve up towards the hand and then back down. And now in the gap between the hand and the shoe, let's draw 2 small angled lines for the pants. Let's finish off the shoe next with a curve across the bottom here like this. Now let's draw the sole of the shoe. Underneath on the right, let's draw a short line down and then across. Next, let's add a pointed V shape up. Now move over to the outside and draw another short line down. And now connect these lines with the curve across the bottom. Let's draw the right leg now. Under the center of the body, let's draw another curve down here like this. And another curve on the right side. Now underneath the left side, let's draw a curve out and down. And the same thing on the right, out and down. Now let's draw the shoe. Starting from the left side, we're going to draw a curve up, over to the right, and back down like this. Now draw the bottom of the shoe with a curve all the way inwards. And now add the sole of the shoe in the same way as the other foot. Lastly, let's draw the right hand holding the microphone. Next to the belly, let's draw a short curve out. And then let's add a finger next to it. And now let's close off the bottom of the hand with 3 bumps. Now above, let's draw the thumb like this. Now let's draw the microphone. Above the thumb, let's draw a small angle out. And then curve it back down to the hand. Now draw a circular curve for the microphone head. And lastly, let's draw some curved detailed lines inside. And that's it for Luigi. Now let's quickly color him in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!